5 jobs that didn't exist 100 years ago. The international job market has changed considerably over the last few years, especially when the onset of globalization and outsourcing began in the international market. Even in the past, there's been a considerable amount of escalation in new jobs and roles. There has been a huge change in the labor market over the past few years due to the advancement of technology and science. More and more new jobs and branches are being introduced that were even unheard of in the past. Welcome back to the Think Mad. In this video, we will talk about 5 jobs that didn't exist 100 years ago. So, before moving on further, please like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming amazing videos. Alright, let's jump in. Number 5. Drone operator. Drones are small robotic flying equipment that was first developed in the 1970s. The commercialized drone came from the generic public about 10 years back. Since then, there is a need of drone operators to handle drones to do dangerous and dull work that humans cannot possibly do. These days, commercial drones are used to take videos and pictures at nearly impossible heights, and also to transfer goods from one place to another. Drone operators are in demand for using drones for surveillance and security purposes. Number 4. User designer expert. 100 years back, nobody knew what technological software was until the introduction of computer technology in the early 1980s. As virtual space or the internet became more and more developed, there was a need to make the software more and more intuitive and user-friendly. Hence, the demand for user designers aroused. The main job of a UX designer is to create software that is user-friendly for doing day-to-day activities. Their role has been extremely important in online marketing sites, social networking sites, and also government websites. They provide the usage of the website with a pleasant and smooth experience. Number 3. Nutritionist. A person who advises others on matters of food and nutrition and their impacts on health. Some people specialize in particular areas, such as sports nutrition, public health, or animal nutrition, among other disciplines. In many countries, a person can claim to be a nutritionist even without any training, education, or professional license. In contrast to a dietitian who has a university degree, professional license, and certification for professional practice. Eating healthy was not always a new thing, but due to the decrease in exercise and a decrease in eating healthy food, more and more people nowadays are preoccupied with the notion of eating clean. For this purpose, it is a common occurrence to go and visit the nutritionist frequently. Thanks to various social media like Facebook and Instagram, many self-taught nutritionists and health gurus have been able to garner a wide range of audiences with the help of the internet. Number 2. Online business managers. Online business managers are the individuals that monitor the performance of internet marketers. They usually work in remote locations and often take care of the business website and its relevant pages. Online business managers usually land with a well-paid package since they constantly have to keep in touch with the business owner and other clients associated with the company. The evolution of the internet and digital marketing arena saw an increase in the need for online business managers. Number 1. Social influencers. Over the last decade, we have seen social media grow rapidly in importance. More than 3.4 billion people actively use social media. That's 45% of the world's population. Inevitably, these people look up to influencers in social media to guide them with their decision-making. Influencers on social media have built a reputation for their knowledge and expertise on specific topics. They make regular posts about that topic on their preferred social media channels and generate large followings of enthusiastic, engaged people who pay close attention to their views. Brands love social media influencers because they can create trends and encourage their followers to buy products they promote. Also, some influencers have also joined OnlyFans to generate more income for them by showing off their bodies. People pay a lot of money to these influencers for their OnlyFans content. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it informative, Do like and subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section below what job you think didn't exist 100 years ago. Stay tuned to Think Mad and see you in the next one.